Hello, friends. Let's have a look at the motivational thoughts on values or value system. Values are defined as the regard that something is held to deserve, the importance, worth, or usefulness of something, principles or standards of behavior, one's judgment of what is important in life. May these thoughts inspire you to live your life based upon your highest values so that you may live your dreams. When your values are clear to you, making decisions becomes easier. Our value is the sum of our values. If you don't stick to your values when they are being tested, they are not values, they are hobbies. Good moral values are mostly molded from a place where love, faith, and hope exist. Peace of mind produces right values produce right thoughts produce right actions. Never compromise your values. Your attitude is an expression of your values and expectations. Open your arms to change but don't let go of your values. I stand for honesty, equality, kindness, compassion, treating people the way you want to be treated, and helping those in need. To me, those are traditional values. Great people have great values and great ethics. Living with integrity means behaving in ways that are in harmony with your personal values. Our mission and core values drive our culture and are the foundation of our practice. We measure each decision against these standards. If we lose our human values by having everything mechanized, then machines will dictate our lives. Your personal core values define who you are. Values are like fingerprints, nobody's are the same, but you leave them all over everything you do. Maturity is learning to walk away from people and situations that threaten your peace of mind, self respect, values, morals, or self worth. When values, thoughts, feelings, and actions are in alignment, a person becomes focused and character is strengthened. Simple, old fashioned values come from a sense of community are the key to a great society. I believe we all have that sense from childhood memories when life was simple. It's those memories that should drive us to reflect on our values. The cultivation of human values alone is education. Keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive because your words become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior becomes your habits. Keep your habits positive because your habits become your values. Keep your values positive because your values become your destiny. I have learned that as long as I hold fast to my beliefs and values and follow my own moral compass, then the only expectations I need to live up to are my own. A mission statement is not something you write overnight, but fundamentally, your mission statement becomes your constitution, the solid expression of your vision and values. It becomes the criterion by which you measure everything else in your life. Enlightened leadership is spiritual if we understand spirituality not as some kind of religious dogma or ideology, but as the domain of awareness where we experience values like truth, goodness, beauty, love, and compassion, and also intuition, creativity, insight, and focused attention. I had chosen to use my work as a reflection of my values. Good values are like a magnet, they attract good people. Real values can have meaning to man only when he steps onto the spiritual path, a path where negative emotions have no use. My father taught my siblings and me the importance of positive values and a strong ethical compass. He showed us how to be resilient, how to deal with challenges, and how to strive for excellence in all that we do. He taught us that there is nothing that we cannot accomplish if we marry vision and passion with an enduring work ethic. Happiness is that state of consciousness which proceeds from the achievement of one's values. Happiness is that state of consciousness which proceeds from the achievement of one's values. Your core values are the deeply held beliefs that authentically describe your soul. Define your priorities, know your values, and believe in your purpose. Only then can you effectively share yourself with others. Live your days on the positive side of life, in tune with your most treasured values, and in each moment you will have much to live for. You don't have to live a lie. Living a lie will mess you up. It will send you into depression. It will warp your values. I never wanted to be on any billionaire's list. I never defined myself by net worth. I always try to define myself by my values. Values reflect what is important to the way you live and work.